Hi, I'm Michael.
And hi, I'm Dale.
Welcome to
Spotted Motors.
So, today we are going to do a bit of a wheeler dealers, or
a three-wheeler dealers. Behind this gate is a car that we picked up around about 3 months ago from someone's front garden. It'd been sat there about a year and a half, hadn't it, Michael?
Yeah, it was in a bit of a sorry state, wasn't it? It broke down on him, he told it was mate's garden and just abandoned it, really. So
exactly that, so we thought we'd take it on our hands, we'll do it up, all for resale basically. So we've documented the full thing. We've written down everything that we've spent, and now we're going to sort of reveal the car and
what we've done, how much we've spent, you know, how much work's gone into it, really, which of the bits. Someone's going to get an absolute
someone's going to get a really nice car here. So three-wheeler dealers with a
say it, don't get it wrong.
Rialto. I've been calling it a Robin since we bought it, and it's not a Robin.
It's a Rialto.
Even now I still do it. Anyway,
it's a three-wheeler, we know that.
It's a three-wheeler. I'm going to call it a three-wheeler from now on. Mike will get the three-wheeler out. How about a quick spin? And then we'll come back and get some photos.
Do the road test.
And I'm only going to say this once, you really suit this car.
It sounds awesome.
It does, sounds like a little Formula Ford, doesn't it?
Lovely this, isn't it?
So normally with the car, when we spin the camera around, you can see both of us pretty clear, but this is like
it's like being in a matchbox.
Michael, what's it like to drive?
Do you know what? I'll put the windows.
Is it? They're not electric?
No, they're not electric, unfortunately. It drives really, really well. I mean, we love the clutch, don't we? The feel of the clutch in the gearbox.
Yeah, it's like a bloody, it's like selecting an assault rifle, isn't it? It's so precise. It's like a little shorter shift to it, hasn't it?
But as far as driving, you know, I was expecting like those rattly, clunky, but it really isn't. It drives really well, and it's quite responsive, isn't it? For
it is,
Is it an 800, 850cc? Like
850cc, yeah, there's no rattles, you know, there's nothing, and even when you hit a bump in the road, the suspension just absorbs it, doesn't it?
It is.
Oh yeah.
It is a bit wobbly like.
With Michael driving sometimes, I do sort of want to put my arm out the window.
I wouldn't want to go around the corner too fast in it.
No, definitely not.
She drives.
Absolutely.
Absolutely faultless.
Yeah.
Brakes are good. It's just gone through a full MOT, hasn't it? With absolutely no advisories at all.
Yeah, which was awesome.
Yeah. So like you say, someone is going to get a real...
Someone's going to get an absolute treat.
Yeah. And there is quite a following for these things, isn't there?
Yeah, there is. We signed up to a couple of forums just for a bit of information and things like that, and there's a massive following for these cars, and rightly so as well, because they are a bucket load of fun.
We are circling around a load of bungalows. Is this a little marketing trick, this?
Everyone's curtains are twitching. Well, we've had at least 5 minutes of fun there, haven't we?
Absolutely.
Absolutely terrorising Carlton Field here. We're going to head back, we're going to get some photos of it and give you the rundown of what we've spent and the hours we've put in to get this how it is looking today. I'll hopefully put some overlays of what the car used to look like as well.
Don't forget, don't you, when we got this, it had was it a blue dash?
Oh yes,
a blue fur dash.
It had blue furry dash, yeah.
The purple fur headlining.
Yeah. It did look, well, it was a comedy car, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
It still is now because it puts a smile on everyone's face. We've just had a thumbs up from one of the residents there. I think we've made this morning. But yeah, like we say, we're going to head back. We'll get some pictures. Sorry that my face is like literally right close to the camera, but I can't extend my arm any further because it's just
me out the window. It does drive fantastic. I love it.
Are you going to regret selling it, Michael?
I think in a few years' time I'll look back and think, you know what?
Yeah.
Should we have sold that or should we have hold on to it? But
yeah.
Let's flip it and we'll move on.
Let's move on, mate. So there you have it. This is our Reliant
Rialto.
Reliant Rialto. Not a Robin. But it looks absolutely fantastic.
Looks fantastic. Drives fantastic. Like I've said it before, someone's going to get a real crack of the car. The hard work's been done, hasn't it?
The hard work has been done.
There's a few little bits for the new one.
It's just bits that we couldn't really find, like sourcing like little interior tweaks and stuff like that.
Yeah, someone will put their own touch on.
But like Michael said, the main work's been done and it looks an absolute treat. I think the colour's perfect for it as well.
Yeah, it is. It makes it stand out.
Yeah, I think if it was a different colour it wouldn't stand out as much, but you know, it speaks for itself, this car, it really, really does. So Michael, let's get down to business.
So, we paid £100 for this car.
We paid £100 for this car. When we bought it off the guy, he was just happy to get rid of it. So, you know, it was in his garden. It's been there a year and a half, and he was just happy to get rid of it.
We done well to get this for £100.
Yeah.
You won't find another one for that price. So, you know, things are in our favour already for this car.
Exactly that.
And then our good friend Dave McCallan owns a body shop, so he gave us some paint.
Yeah.
So all we paid for then was we paid £70 for primer and hardener.
Yeah.
So
70 quid.
£70 in paint products.
We'll top that up here somewhere.
Yeah. What else did we do?
So then it needed a few little bits. It was missing a grill, so I sourced the grill off eBay, and I think total for that was, including post and packaging, was £20.
Yeah. Mirrors.
I mean, look at them. They were £25 again off eBay.
Rear lights again off eBay. LED lights.
LED lights. They were £25 off eBay again. Good old eBay.
Put eBay again. Exhaust on it.
Yeah.
£40.
£40 for the exhaust.
And an MOT.
An MOT
for another £40. Giving us a grand total on this car of £310.
£310.
So we've got done this for £310. Now, being honest, if you want, you'll have all watched three-wheeler dealers. Three-wheeler dealers.
Yeah.
It's the time and effort that goes into these to get them in for that price. I mean, you put this in a garage, labour costs would spiral. We've done this in our spare time.
Exactly.
It hasn't cost us any labour.
Yeah.
You know, we've got, like I say, we've had friends. Lucky enough to keep it at Bill Ingham's while we've been doing the work.
Yeah, we've got to do a big shout out to Bill Ingham's speed shop in North East England, and we've also got to do a big shout out to Dave McCallan from McCallan Automotive.
He gave us a paint and he actually put the top coat on this car.
Yeah.
We done all the prep and he put the coat on for us. So, you know, we've got some good friends there and it saved us a lot of money, hasn't it?
Exactly that. Yeah. But like Michael was just touching on there, if you watch Wheeler Dealers, you watch Ed China, you watch Mike Brewer, everyone says it, but what about the labour costs? And that's what we're doing here. We're explaining that the car does look really cheap when you put it down on paper, but the amount of time, especially that Michael's put into this car, I'm sure that he hasn't got no fingerprints left after rubbing this car down so much. So what we're trying to say now is though, get out there, go and find something, put the effort in.
And have a go yourself. Have a go yourself. Have a go. Save yourself a ton of money by doing that. Even if you do the hard work yourself, do it, rubbing it down, whatever you want to do, just have a go.
The sense of achievement is absolutely unreal, and us looking at this car now, we've been with it, don't we?
Yeah, we love it, I mean, you know, we've always said I think Dale's thinking he wants to keep it, but
I don't know. It's like Michael said, it's one of them cars that in 3 or 4 years' time, when we see how much they're possibly going to be worth, we are going to regret selling it because it is so much fun.
It is, and it's unique.
Yeah.
I don't think we'll get another one. I don't think we'll get the chance of another one.
No, I certainly don't as well. Especially, we need to touch on that as well. With it being a pickup,
yeah.
Whoever owned it in the past has chopped the back end of it off and made it into a pickup, but they've done it.
And everyone commented on how much of a good job that is.
Yeah.
I mean, they put a glass.
Yeah, it's a glass back window. It's nothing's perspex. It's all been tubbed out like properly in the rear. Yeah. It's a proper job, isn't it?
Yeah. It's even got space for your speakers.
It has got space for 6x9s if you want to start entertaining your neighbours.
So yeah, so there we go. We've restored this car.
Yes. Lovingly
for a grand total of £310.
Yeah.
We're going to put it on the market.
Yeah.
Rough idea what we're going to market it for?
I think we're going to put it up for sale for around about £2,200. Again, we're not sure the going rate of these cars. The spiral all over the place.
Yeah.
But like Michael said a minute ago, you can't find these cars now.
And you've been on the forums, haven't you? And people have said it's too cheap.
Yeah.
But we're not. We're going to price it what we think's fair.
Exactly.
What we think it'll go for.
Yeah.
And some people out there will go, ridiculous. You know, but like I said, the amount of work that's gone into this definitely warrants what we're asking for it.
Exactly that. So yeah, we'll keep you updated and maybe do a quick post or something like that of if and when it does sell. Yeah. But in the meantime, we're going to take a couple of pictures of this now, and we're going to write the classified out and get it up on a couple of websites, aren't we, Michael?
Yeah, in the forums and what have you. And I honestly don't think this will hang around.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
And then subscribe and get involved in Spotted Motors to find out what car we buy next, because all we're going to do with the money, we're going to put it back into the channel.
Yeah, we're going to keep going on with
this. Isn't going to go to Michael's pocket or my pocket, it's going to go straight back into the channel. We're going to bring something else, something weird, something unique.
Yeah, we're going to stick with the unique, aren't we?
Yeah.
If we can. And in the meantime, we just whatever we can get our hands on, we're going to flip, try and make a few quid and just make this channel grow and grow and grow.
Exactly that. So get involved, get subscribed, give us a couple of comments to let us know how you think we've done. Have we give Ed China and Mike Brewer a run for the money with 3 wheeler dealers? Michael, awesome job, mate. Absolutely thrilled to bits with this one.
So thanks very much for watching.
We've been
Spotted Motors.
So around about 3 months ago, we found a
Rialto
wheeler dealers with a
Say it, don't get it wrong.
Rialto.
Rialto.
I've been calling it a Robin since we bought it, and it's not a Robin.
It's a Rialto.
Even now I still do it. We're Reliant Rialto.
Do you like him? Do you like it, Reg?
Yeah.
Do you like the Theo? I think we should keep it or sell it. Keep it. What about you?
Yeah.
Keep it.
Yeah.
Oh, why do you want to play in it?
But there's one problem, there's only 2 seats, someone's going to have to go in the back.
Who's going to sit in the back?
I'm
There you go.
going to sit in the back too with Theo.
There you go.
Come here, then. Oh.
See, you can get 2 kids in the back of it.
Who needs a family car?
So?